This is a schedule file for TurboTax or potentially a SC7 game file. If it's tax, it's older data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust SCD file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. An SCD file can be associated with either TurboTax or Samsung devices. In TurboTax, it may store schedule data for tax preparation. In Samsung devices, it might contain schedule or calendar information. The specific content depends on the context in which the SCD file is used, either for financial data or device-related scheduling. The structure of an SCD file varies depending on its origin. TurboTax SCD files are likely to contain structured data related to tax schedules, while Samsung SCD files may use a proprietary format for storing calendar events and appointments. The file format is designed for efficient storage and retrieval of schedule-related information. The best utility for reliable viewing of SCD is known to be Intuit Quicken by Quicken. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows can't decode the full data structure, so proper access must be done through the correct software. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the SCD file and hit Open With. Use Intuit. Quicken if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the SCD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the SCD error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, use Quicken. Open the file using Intuit Quicken, the required application for the financial data. Next, check version year. Ensure the Quicken version you are using is compatible with the year and version of the SCD file. Finally, convert to QIF/QFX. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal financial format like .QIF or QFX. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.